The Honest Woodcutter. Once upon a time, there lived a poor woodcutter in a small village. Every day he went to the forest to cut wood and sell it in the market. It was the only way he could earn money for his family. One day, while cutting a tree near a river, his axe suddenly slipped from his hands and fell into the deep water. The woodcutter became very sad because the axe was his only tool to earn a living. He sat near the river and started to cry. Suddenly, a magical fairy appeared from the water and asked him why he was crying. The woodcutter told her the whole story. The fairy went into the river and brought out a golden axe. She asked, "Is this your axe?" The woodcutter replied honestly, "No, this is not mine." The fairy again went into the river and brought out a silver axe. She asked, "Is this your axe?" Again the woodcutter said, "No, this is not mine." Finally, the fairy brought out the old iron axe of the woodcutter. The woodcutter became very happy and said, "Yes, this is my axe." The fairy was impressed by his honesty. She said, "You are a very honest man." As a reward, she gave him the golden axe, the silver axe, and his own axe. The woodcutter went home happily and told his family everything. Moral of the story: honesty is the best policy.